So now let's take a look at how bookmarks controlled by different buttons can interact. Okay, sometimes you actually want to sync two bookmark states, and sometimes you don't want to sync them. So how to set those up? Okay, so in this report page, we already set up two bookmarks. Okay, we have a volume bookmark. So now it's showing the total volume of each month. If you press Control and click on Return, then when we switch to a different bookmark state, where we will see the average return across different months. Okay, so now if I choose, for example, Florida, then in this return variable, I'm going to see the average return of Florida in different months. Okay, so now if I switch to the volume bookmark, again, press Control and click on volume, we go back to the volume variable, but notice Florida is no longer selected. This variable of volume is still showing the total volume for all the states. Okay, so sometimes you actually want to maintain the previous selection of Florida. When you switch to the volume variable, you still want to see the volume for Florida only. Okay, how to realize that? Okay, let's go to, first you need to have this bookmark pane. Okay, to choose the book, to actually show the bookmark pane, you need to go to the View tab and click on this bookmark button. Okay, so now I have the bookmarks pane shown here already. So I have the current two bookmarks listed here. So let's go to the Return bookmark, and I click on this 3 button. And you see there's several items. If you uncheck the data here, okay, now you go to volume. Again, you click on the 3 dots and you uncheck the data item. By unchecking the data item, these 2 bookmarks will be synced regarding the slicer choice. Okay, so now, for example, I'm staying at the volume variable, so I choose, say, California. Okay, because the data item is unselected. Okay, and the slicer is going to sync across different bookmarks. If I go to the Return variable, okay, let's see what happens. Control Return. Now this return variable shows actually the return for California. The California slicer is still selected. Okay. If you do not want this slicer to be synced across variables, across bookmarks, okay, well, just do the opposite. Okay, go and click on the data item. For this volume bookmark, also click on the data item. Okay, you can check it. Now the data item is checked. So basically the data item is gonna restore everything back to the current data setting, ignoring your choice in the previous bookmark state.